The creators of Claude, Anthropic, just had a valuation of nearly $1 trillion, and they're gearing up for one of the biggest IPOs in history.
This is the one-side hustle where being a beginner is actually your advantage.
Right? So essentially, an AI creator, so someone like myself and other creators, what do? We share what we're doing with AI, how we're using it to make money, and how it can help you maybe save time, save money, and even make money. And how you want to do that and think about this is you essentially just build an audience around AI. It could be around...
He's describing the AI creator, and notice he never says, be an expert. He says, share what you're doing with AI while you learn it. The demand for this content is exploding, and the supply of creators is still tiny.
News, tutorials, you're teaching people, inspiring them. And the way to monetize is to do sponsorships, so brand deals with other companies, courses, services, whatever it is that you want. Now, why the AI makes this so possible compared to before was, first of all, the demand for AI content, like what you're watching right now, is crazy. It's going through the roof. It's one of the most popular niches on YouTube.
But if the camera scares you, the next one lets you stay completely invisible.
Now, when it comes to ghostwriting, all it really is you take a founder, an entrepreneur, or an executive, and you help them write their LinkedIn posts, YouTube scripts, emails, Twitter, whatever it is. Like if it has words and copywriting, Claude is extremely good at it right now. And why would they pay you thousands of dollars per month to do this? Because if you help them build their personal brand with words.
Watch what he lists here. LinkedIn posts, scripts, emails, all written for busy founders who don't have time to write. And the key detail is the monthly retainer, because you're not chasing one-off gigs.
They will get so many leads coming into their business, potentially making tens of thousands, hundreds of thousands, for some people, millions of dollars, and you're just playing a piece in that. That's why you can charge a monthly retainer. And why does AI make this so much more possible than it was before? It's because you can train your AI on that person's voice, and it can just churn out all these like blog posts or LinkedIn posts or whatever it is you're doing for the client.
And if writing for one person works, wait until you see what one video can become.
So when I say content distribution, it just means that, let's say you have a YouTuber and they're thinking, okay, I have a YouTube channel, it's doing well, I want to be on LinkedIn. I just need someone to take my YouTube long form, turn it into posts, turn it into carousels, maybe just like cut up the clips and post it somewhere else.
Listen to how he frames it. One long video becomes posts, carousels, and clips across every platform. He calls it becoming a content engine. And Claude, read the transcript to find the strongest moments for you.
And I need them to just distribute my content, right? That's all it is. So like one long form piece of content, turn it into multiple clips, posts, blog posts, whatever. And you become somewhat like a content engine for all their platforms. Why AI makes this so possible is because, number one, if you took someone's YouTube video, took the transcript and turned it into LinkedIn posts, I would say that's pretty easy to do. And then if you're doing short form content, you just need to use Claude to get the transcript to find the right clips.
Now flip it around, because the next one puts you on the other side of the camera.
Now, UGC creators, it's a new phenomenon where you have these really big brands, let's say Neurogum, for example. They have an army of creators just mass producing content. And these creators are just like everyday regular people producing content at home. They send it to the brand, and then the brand does what they do and it goes viral. So what do you actually do? You film these short form, authentic feeling, they're almost like advertisements in a sense.
This is UGC, and look at who's doing it. Regular people filming authentic short videos at home. No studio, no fame required. The brand takes the content and posts it, while Claude handles the ideas and scripts.
But they could be posted as organic content, and the brand will take it and post it on their channel, right? And a lot of times this is pretty easy because you can use AI to find the best ideas in this niche. Then you can use AI to write the scripts using Claude, and then you just film it and then use AI to cut the clips if you need to. So why does AI make this more possible? Well, first of all, I think it's just a hot opportunity to do UGC content.
But content isn't the only thing companies are desperate for, and the next one proves it.
In general, companies will always pay another person that makes them more money. So one way to do it is if you help companies book more sales meetings, whether it's Instagram, LinkedIn, email, whichever channel they prefer, and you book them calls. If they can get these calls and their sales reps can close, you will make money and they will make money.
The job is booking sales meetings through Instagram, LinkedIn, or email. And notice his honesty here, because he says full AI outreach still can't beat a human. The winning play is the hybrid, where AI does the heavy lifting and you add the judgment.
So it's kind of like a human AI hybrid, right? I know a lot of people say like, oh, you can get AI to do all the work. I looked into this. I have friends who do this, and
Quick pause here. If what I'm sharing is making sense and you're thinking, okay, but how does this actually work in a real system? I've put together a free training that walks through the exact structure and process we use. It's not theory, it's a behind the scenes walkthrough of how the system is set up, how the pieces fit together, and how most of the heavy lifting is already handled, so you're not starting from zero. If you want to see how it's structured and decide for yourself if it's a good fit, the link is in the description. All right, let's jump back in.
what I've learned is, yes, the technology is there where you can have a AI sales rep way better than a human, especially if it's just like sending messages. The problem, if you were to actually set that up, is you need to train a lot of data, and it's really not easy to get it better than a human with the current technology at the time of this recording.
And once you understand outreach, the next idea shows you where every buyer is already searching.
So AI SEO is really just doing SEO at scale, and the new game, which is GEO, AEO. Without going to the technicals, it just means like when somebody types in a brand on ChatGPT or Claude, right, are they popping up? So it's just like ranking not only on Google and Yahoo and search engines, but also within AIs, right?
He's describing AI SEO, and here's the shift. People now ask ChatGPT and Claude which brand to buy. So ranking inside AI answers is the new game. He calls it an open field because it's too new for real competition.
So if you go into AI to ask what's the best running shoe for high rocks, so whatever brands pop up, like people actually click it, go on the website and buy. So if brands can rank there, then yeah, they're gonna make more money. So why does AI make this possible? Well, number one, you can mass produce text and kind of game the system so that you help these brands rank on all these platforms. And number two, like this whole idea of like ranking on ChatGPT and Claude is brand new, so it's an open field.
But getting found is only half the battle. And the last one is how brands turn attention into action.
So this is where you're creating ads for brands. It could be a static ad, meaning like photos, pictures, or it could be a video ad, right? It's really like in this kind of game, like especially for a direct to consumer kind of brands like vitamins, creatine, you know, like any random product you see online, all they do is they go on Facebook ad library and they just copy other people's ads and they just run money behind it, right?
Look at what he reveals here. Brands need endless ad variations because testing is the whole game now. What used to take a designer days in Photoshop, Claude, and AI tools now produce every single day.
Right? So these companies, they just need someone to like mass produce these ads, because right now what's working is just having like all these different variations, and then the one that works and they put money behind it. But it's just so much work to create like thousands of ads. And so why does AI make this so possible is because if you're using like Claude and other AI tools, like you're pumping out these ads like crazy every single day.
7 ideas, 1 pattern, the tools are ready, and the only missing piece is someone willing to start. If you like this video, gently hit the like button. If you dislike this video, then share with your friends and family. Because whether you liked it or not, it could be helpful to your friends and family and your social media contact. And if you think we are doing our best to try and explain to you how you can change your life, and you want to watch the next video, then make sure you subscribe to our channel and switch on the notification bell button. And make sure you ask your friends and family and social media contacts to subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button as well. This way, you will help us get 10,000 subscribers in next 3 months. To learn more money techniques, watch these videos, and we will see you on the next one.